Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, and that is why we cannot change the date and time manually. It is because we are using the automatic option. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar pick the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just pick it from the clock and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied even on the status bar. We can change the time zone, just tap on this option and tap on the region. As you can see, we've been immediately transferred to this full list of available regions. Of course, you can enter the name of it. If not, you can just scroll and find it. After finding, tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Remember about that. Here we've got also the time format. Currently we are using local default, but of course you can manually decide which format we want to use. So just turn off this option, and currently we are using 12-hour format. Of course we can use 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. This is the whole manual customization of the dated time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.